So you want to display an image within a shape. I'm going to show you two methods, and both methods work in Word, PowerPoint and Excel. Let's look at the first method. Go to the Insert tab, go to the Shapes menu, and we're going to put an image within a circle, but there isn't a circle shape available here, so you have to choose oval. And to draw your perfect circle, hold down Shift on your keyboard and drag to make the circle. Once you've got your circle, you go to the Shape Fill menu, and this is on the Shape Format tab, which only appears when you have the shape selected. Shape Fill, Picture, and then you need to select where you're going to pick up your picture from. I'm going to pick it up from my computer. Select the picture, click on Insert. Now if you want to resize the image within the picture, right click on it, go to Format Shape at the bottom of the menu, then go to this Picture button over on the right here, and if you scroll down you'll see a section called Crop, and here you can change the picture width and height. So if I took the width up to 8 and the height up to 8, you can see that the picture's increased in size within the circle. So you can also reposition the picture within the circle or the shape by using these offset X and Y properties. So for example, if I set this to 1 centimeter, the X offset moves the picture horizontally and the Y offset moves the picture vertically. Now you can see that I, by default, get this blue border around the circle. And if you don't like that or you want to change it, just go up to the Shape Outline menu. Again, that's on the Shape Format tab. And I can change the color. And I can change its weight or its thickness. Okay, so that is method 1. Method 2. So with method 2, your first step is to insert the picture. So if you go to the Insert tab on your ribbon, go to Pictures, and then select where you're going to get your picture from. I'm going to say from this PC again. I'll select my picture, click on Insert. I'll make the picture slightly smaller. Then on the Picture Format tab, go over to this Crop button, and then you've got this option Crop to Shape. Now again, if I wanted a perfect circle, I've got a problem because there's only an oval shape. But let's go for the oval shape to begin with. And then if I go back to the Crop menu, and then go to Aspect Ratio, I can change it to a square aspect ratio, 1:1. And I get the picture in a perfect circle. Now you can see I've got these crop handles at the moment. And while I've got those crop handles showing, I can reposition the image within the shape. I could also resize it by dragging these white handles on the edge of the image. Once I'm done, I've got the picture in the correct position and the correct size within the circle, I just click outside the image and you can see it's enclosed within a circle. And again, I could add borders by going to the Picture Format tab, Picture Border, change the weight. I could also change the color. And I can add special effects like shadows and glows if you really wanted to go that way. Okay, that's all I want to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.